So hello guys, today we will make a shooter game. And yeah, if you are thinking about that platformer game, it can't have a part 2 because of some issues, because I was cleaning my projects which I have made, which I have made and didn't I completed. I was cleaning them and by mistake I deleted that project. But when I noticed then when I deleted my whole trash. So yeah, sorry for that. But you can continue because you have made that. So today we will make a shooter game. As you can see, just yeah. So we don't need these costumes. We need some new costumes. So first in the backdrop, shooter games look while the backdrop is in the black color. And go to the cat sprite. As always, have to create some sprite. So now a triangle. You can click on backscape, then it would become. Just I want to make this more pointed. Yeah. Now just make it. And then cool colors. I want it to be yellow. Some light yellow. Now, first we have to code. So if you have seen my video, I told you how to add Scratch add-on. So in this video I am using it. So yeah, if you would be thinking how to do this, start typing, you have to just do Control plus space. If you have Scratch add-ons. In normal Scratch it isn't like this. So when flag clicked, you have to bring a forever loop. If a key pressed, so you can also do WASD. I'm comfortable with this, and I'm also comfortable with that. So you can always bring a OR. So up arrow in here means W. So if the W pressed, then we have to change our Y. So where I'm going, then change Y by 5. I think that is a good value. Then like this only duplicate. Down arrow, key is pressed. Minus. And then just the same like these in the. Let me just bring these out for no confusion. Okay, right arrow pressed here, then I think it means key A pressed. Key A finding is very easy. Change x by 5 and here change x by negative. Left arrow, I think it means then D, not inside it, below it. Now it moves. But I also want that they have two directions. I think better of this, change directions and then move up. So means this is turn right, and in the left arrow then we have to turn left. So 5 degrees over here, 5 degrees. If this is a low, I will change it so for testing. But it isn't going. Because it isn't going, because it is only doing the change y by, and y means you can see over here up and down, so it isn't going in the direction it is pointing. So we want that. Move 10 steps, and now, oh, I think it is a little bit fast. Our turning speed is so slow and our moving speed is so much fast. I think I have to make this slow. Move 5 steps. Next, we need a bullet sprite. So if we search over here, there is no bullet sprite because Scratch doesn't exist a bullet sprite. So we will paint it. It would be low, but not that much. You can just do it like this. Reshape this point, curved. This point, curved. And not so much big. It should be more smaller. And its color should be orange. So you can always do the color 11 and this. And then you drag it in the center. Now we have to just code that it shoots it, because now it is always over here. So let's drag it in the center. Make sure if you are moving don't click on it, or it will also move along with your sprite. So we want that first this should hide, not it shouldn't be visible, and then when we press the space key, then it should come out like a bullet from this sprite. So just let me name sprite. The oh, I forgot. Shooter has double O. Then shooter this bullet. Yeah, now we can understand this. So let's code this. First, in the shooter sprite, when flag clicked, we have to also do a if key space pressed. Space, I use space pressed, but you can also use like, we are also triggering the WASD keys, so you can also use it like CX. I will use a OR again because it shouldn't be like this. The WASD has to also press this, and these also have to press this OR key. So WASD. So I think I should do it R or F. Key F pressed. You can also do Q if you are comfortable with that, but I am not comfortable with the key Q because I have to also move and I have also shoot. So key F pressed. And if you want more keys, you can always do or. So now if you do it like this, nothing would happen. Just it would see off that nothing would happen. So let's go in the bullet sprite. The main code is missing, I think. When flag clicked, hide. And no, nothing more. So now we have to bring a create clone of bullet. So in the bullet sprite, drag a when I start as a clone, then we have to bring a move 10 steps, and if then touching edge. So when we will add the enemies, we will also add a or enemies. So now if touching edge, we have to delete this clone. So when I start as a clone, show, then it should happen. So for now, this will happen that it will go in its X and Y like this, and this when I start as a clone, you have to do it forever also, or it will only do it like this. So do not do a forever because forever is also triggering over here, and if key space or key F press, then here also this forever happens, and this forever is create clone of myself. So when I start as a clone would also be forever. So you can do when I start as a clone. So we have to go to grab to backdrop of stage, which comes here. First shooter, then x position because it's the x, and y position. Now when we press space, it is being continuously made. That is a big error. If we just make it this, then it will become a circle, or we can make it a square. So now no more playing, just fix this error when I start as a. So this would be happened in the shooter. It is in a forever loop. Forever it is creating when we are pressing the space key. That means if we press the space key this much times, then it would forever be like this. Now you have to just, this is an easy fix. Wait 1 second. So this is waiting. So I can't understand these scripts because we are coding this now, then you just bring it up over here. Now we have to fix that problem. So it is continuously shooting. I have very much solutions to fix it, but only one would work. First is over here. We can bring a, wait 1 second. Then it wouldn't work because it is only triggering it one time. So, and the second solution is a simple solution, and that is we would add more enemies. So now we have to just do one thing. Then for now it is shooting these. It is lagging a little bit. Yeah, it is a wait 1 second. Let me just delete this. Now it is being like this, but that is a problem. We don't want to make shapes using this. Actually, we want that this should shoot, because for now I think this is a shape making game, and clones are becoming more than 300. So all this we have to do it in a repeat until. Repeat until touching edge, and then you have to move 10 steps. Means repeat until touching edge, delete this clone. And so it is coming over here if we press this script, but when we are coming over here, nothing is happening. So now let's test it, and yeah, now it is happening, but I don't know why a fountain is coming. It triggers so much bullets in just one key space press. I don't like this. And one thing I just forgot about that. We are shooting these, but it is over here, then also it is going. But why? So now we have to grab a point in direction, duplicate this direction of player, and now wherever the player is pointing, there it is shooting. Now this is all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial we will make the enemies and try to fix this error. So for now, just enjoy this game by making a circle like this. So this is all for this tutorial. For the